Hi YouTube, a quick video on how to take off and clean butterfly keyboards on 2015 to 2019 MacBooks, MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. I'm gonna show you a little bit. This is the mechanism right here, as you can see, and this is the keycap. So this is what we need to pry on this side, because this is the top, this is letter N. This is the top portion of the keycap, and this is the bottom. So you do not pry from the bottom, you pry here to unlock it, to release it first, and then you just slide it out. So I'm gonna show, like here, you can see it's removed, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the mechanism so you can clean it and put it back together. So for example, this letter B, all I use is X-Acto knife and a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so prying from this side, get it out on this side, and that's it. This is pretty simple. Okay, so you want to make sure you don't damage these hooks, so you can put it back. You can put it back and reuse the caps and the mechanism. And to remove the mechanism, what I do is I use X-Acto knife, and I just pry a little bit right here, like this side. So you need to free up these pins. So one side you free up the pins and it just slides out too, same thing. So you do it like this, okay? One side, the second side, just gently, careful, okay? And it just slides out like that. That's it. Okay, so this is off. You can clean the actual mechanism. This is, on this side is nothing. I just I removed that on the other side of the keyboard because it was pretty bad, but this is nothing here. But anyway, and to put it back in place, let me get this out. Okay, same procedure basically to put it back in place. One side here, and the second, you don't push it, in. You have to get it into the groove. I was using tweezers in the wrong one. So same thing, push it in like that, not push it in, but like that. So it has to move freely. Okay, so expand it to take it out, and expand it to put it back in. Okay, and this is our letter. It's all clean, nothing wrong. Same thing, hooks first, put it back together. Hooks first, like slide it, put it in, like put it in and slide it down, and then just click. That's it, done deal. So it's all back in place and works the way it should. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I would appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.